Alright guys, this is a 2012 Nisan Rogue. I'll show you guys how to take off the handle, the mirror, and the trim panel, okay? Let's get to work. Y'all see that short clip right there? We're gonna clip all the way, the short one. That 10mm screw right there, 10mm. It's a 10mm. Y'all see this piece? Gotta move it right off of the way. Take it out of the way. Just stuck a screwdriver in the crease of it and pry it out. It's 2 10mm inside those holes. See? It's 2 of those 10mm, 2 of them. Alright guys, you're going to put your screwdriver in the crease of it, and you're going to pull it towards you. Then you're going to stuck your hand up underneath the crease and pull it out. See that? Pull it out. Now you're going to go up now. Once it's loose like that, you go up with it. Go ahead, unhook the cables, and unhook this one. Before you unhook the wire from the door, do the handle first, because sometimes you gotta put the glass up. Move that piece out of the way. See? Those are 10mm nut. It's 3 of them. Unhook the wire. Just unplug the wire like that. You gotta hold it so it won't drop them on you. Hold it. Take that out. Snatch it out. Whoa! Snatch it out. All right, let's do that handle. Let's leave out the window because sometimes those handles have the little plug on them, the wires on them. You see that right there? That little black plug? Use your small screwdriver and put a black plug right there. That is a star tip. It's a T30. It's a T30 star tip. Turn it to the left. You turn it. Once it's loose, take a screwdriver, a really small one, and you pry it open. You see that? Open it up. Play with it. Falls right out. Okay. See that? It's loose. But it had the cable on it. it has the blue cable on it, so all you do, you hold it out and you push the cable from the plastic holder from off it. Okay, that's the blue piece, that blue piece. Just pry it away from the cable. Remember, be careful not to break that piece. Once you break that, your ass will be in trouble. You will be in trouble. Do not break that piece. Now put it towards you and take it out. See, I was right. You got the cable. You see that damn cable? You got the cable inside of it. Now, I gotta open up this to take out the cable. Now, it's time to unplug the wire. Move them 3 screws from there. 1, 2, 3. In order to unplug that handle, you gotta take out the glass and take off this. But I'm not doing all that. It's too much work. I'm gonna show you a shortcut. Move them things from there. Yeah. I didn't want to do this, but I got to do it. I had to do it. I got to drop the glass. Well, let's get it done. First thing first, let's get this piece out of here. Y'all see that clip right there? Just push the clip in. Push that clip in. It comes out. Much easier. Crap over there. All right, y'all see them 2 holes? Drop the glass right between them 2 holes. You see the 10mm? It's 2 of them. Alright, that screw fell down inside there, which means I gotta take out the speaker to get the screw out of there, but that's no problem. Now you move them screws out of the way, comes right out. Remember, you gotta tilt it. You tilt it and take it out. You have to tilt it. Bam, comes right out. Now, let's move this piece. See? Now, wire's right there. Okay, you unplug it and you take it out. We're gonna set this back. Set this back. And just put back 2 screws to hold it. Just put back 2 screws to hold it, because once you put the car back together, you gotta take this piece off again. That's how you take off the handle for the front door. Trust me, that one is not that easy. Let's do the back.